In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your Gmail reply signature before quoted text. If you're looking to customize the way your Gmail signature appears in email replies, you've come to the right place. Many users prefer having their signature directly below their message rather than right at the bottom of the entire email thread. Fortunately, Gmail allows you a level of customization to do just that. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the exact process you need to make this change smoothly and efficiently. Let's start by opening your favorite web browser and navigating to Google. Once there, type in "How to move Gmail reply signature before quoted text" and hit search. You'll find a list of results, and you'll want to select the most relevant one that provides detailed guidance on adjusting your Gmail settings. Click on that link and it will take you directly to the instructions you need. While reading through the guidance provided, you might notice some technical terms or references to various options in your Gmail settings. Don't worry, I'll break it down for you right here. The key setting you want to find is in your Gmail account, usually under the Settings menu, which you can access by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the Gmail interface. Once in Settings, look for the General tab. This section holds most of the everyday preferences and defaults for your account. To adjust where your signature appears, you'll scroll down until you find the Signature section. Here, you'll typically see your current signature preview and various formatting options. Look closely for any checkboxes or settings related to signatures and replies. What you are looking for specifically is the option labeled "Insert Signature before quoted text in replies and remove the line that precedes it." By selecting this option, or something similarly worded, you're instructing Gmail to place your signature directly below your latest message content and before any quoted text from prior emails, giving a cleaner and more professional presentation to your responses. Take a moment to ensure that box is checked. Once you've done that, scroll to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. Always remember to save your changes, as forgetting this step is a common pitfall, resulting in no changes being applied when you return to your emails. Voila! You have now successfully configured your Gmail to move your signature before quoted text in replies. Now, test it out by replying to an email and observing how the layout looks. You should see your signature directly below your text, and the quoted message follows thereafter. This seemingly small change can make a big difference in how professional and organized your emails appear to others, enhancing your email correspondence. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more Gmail tips and tricks.